This is our Bradford model. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. It's 706 square feet. When you come in, you open up into the living room and dining room area where you have a nice large closet. We have the alarm system through ADT and this nice galley kitchen with black appliances. And then towards the back of the kitchen, we have the laundry room where we have full-size washers and dryers. As we head out of the kitchen and down the hallway, we have a nice large bedroom. And the closet runs the length of the wall, so you've got really good closet space as well. And then you have a bathroom. So that is our Bradford model. If you'd like more information on this apartment or any of our other apartments here at Cedar Pointe, you can reach us at www.cedarpointenashville.com.